This cam I've ordered by you, by China Vision, but he is not working. I shall let you see what the problem is. This is the camera. If I put the USB in it, you see, he's not working, he's not loading, he's doing nothing. And I can't get the battery to look at it. If I put them on, he's gonna work for a couple of seconds, and then he said the battery is empty. Like you see, he's empty. He's recording, but only that's it. I have another one. I've bought it before, a couple of weeks ago. If I put here USB in, you see, and here by my thumb there is a light burning that he is loaded. It's my problem. And you see, that's one that is working. That's a good one. This one, the new one, is doing nothing. It's not loading. It's not working properly. And I have another problem. The seduction mode. Like this is a good one. You see, it's straight, it's flat. I have another seduction one by this product, and he is going that up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I've made it wet, put it real hard with my thumb on the windscreen, and then turn it over. Well, he fits, but only for a couple of seconds, and then he's falling off. I put everything back in the box and sent it back to you. Thank you. Bye bye.